book. History books, novels, self-help guides? No, we're looking at expressions with book. Yeah? So book as a noun or book as a verb. Okay, so then I'm Ian and I want to help you understand these English idiomatic expressions with the word book. Okay, practice using them and listening to them 2 or 3 times to get the vocabulary in your head. Okay, and then you can activate the expressions and see my special message to you at the end. The English word book is used in many situations with a number of meanings. Very often it has some historical context. So here are a few examples. A closed book. This is a subject which you know little about. For example, for me, philosophy is a closed book, yeah? So don't ask me questions about it. I don't know very much about it. So take a leaf out of someone's book. You should take a leaf out of your grandfather's book. He always saved 10% of his salary every month and he never had financial problems. So throw the book at someone. The police threw the book at the driver who went through the traffic lights at red, causing the death of 2 pedestrians. Yeah, they made sure he spent a lot of time without a car. So book as a verb. We booked our hotel for the conference 6 months before, and Sandra booked a table for 5 for Saturday in a very nice restaurant. Okay. And also book can mean to make charges against, yeah, on the law. For example, the police booked the man for speeding in an urban area, okay, or in a football match. The footballer was booked, yeah, with a yellow card for protesting. Yes. And the expression booked up. Yeah, so I'm sorry, the hotel is fully booked up for this weekend. We've got some rooms for next weekend, but this weekend, I'm sorry, yeah, it's not possible. Okay. And these wonderful singers are usually booked up for a year ahead. They are now taking bookings for next year. Yes. Okay, so write your version in the comments below for me to see, and give us a like, yes, and leave a comment below, yes. So, and now you've got to the end, write this special message in the comment section below, yeah. So I watched to the end. Book is not a closed book for me now. Okay? Okay, we really appreciate your comments and likes. So thanks for now. Bye.